Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I keep my battery terminals from corroding? After removing the terminals, you can apply anti-corrosion washers or a small amount of dielectric grease on your battery's posts. Another great anti-corrosion chemical is the Amsoil heavy-duty metal protector, which can also be used to prevent rust. Is it okay to use WD-40 on battery terminals? WD-40 Specialist Fast Drying Contact Cleaner can act as a protective layer, applied on the poles and terminals of the car battery and successfully eliminate oil, deposits of grease and mud. Make sure to keep on top of your car battery maintenance so your car is ready to use when you need it. Why do my battery terminals corrode so fast? Corrosion happens on the battery terminals when hydrogen gas is being released from the acid in the battery. This acid mixes with other things in the air under the hood of your vehicle, causing the corrosion you can see. Some batteries are maintenance-free, which means you don't need to check the water levels inside. How often should you change your car battery? Every 4 to 5 years. Service experts estimate that you should replace your car battery every 4 to 5 years. Real-world battery life varies depending on a couple of factors, but you can find out how to know if your car battery needs to be replaced in this helpful guide. What problems can corroded battery terminals cause? If any corrosion develops along the battery terminals, this may interfere with the connection and the vehicle may have trouble starting. This can be caused by corroded or even loose battery terminals. The vehicle may experience difficulty starting, slow cranking, or rapid clicking when the key is turned.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.